July 22nd, 2010. This video goes out to Wndy. Now Wndy, sorry about the whole eggs fiasco. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. The day before. I did find a recording of the Earth's vibrations. I'll provide a link below if you're interested, to all those people who were listening to the heartbeat of Mom. So go to this website, and you're gonna. There's not a link to the direct thing, so you're gonna have to scroll down. For those people that want to shoot video of their computer screen and don't have the high-tech video cameras, this is a great cheat. So you go to the website, scroll down to figure 7, and that'll be this one. So you go to figure 7, and just below it'll say listen, and you press on the button, and here you go, Wndy. Audio Earth sounds. Three-minute recording. Now, if you want to listen to a recording of the Earth audio sounds or vibrations, this is one way to do it. If you can find a website with a live of it broadcasting the Earth's vibrations live, please let me know. Thanks a lot. But there it is.